First, I would like to respect my teacher and hello everyone. Today, my group will to talk my topic safety in workshop. And in my group has the three member. My name is Lai Van Er. The contact we have the one introduction, two why safety important, three personal protective equipment (PPE). One introduction workshop safety meaning following rules to protect ourselves and others from accident and injuries. Safety help our work better and prevent and damage to tool and machine. My point is finished. So everyone to listen to continue to my friend.
Hello, my name is Yuan Janet. Today I'm talk about number 2, why safety important. How 4 point.
Number 1, meaning to stop people from getting hurt or involved in dangerous situation at work. Explanation: this involves following safety rules, wearing protective equipment such as helmet, gloves, and safety. Number 2, meaning to keep tool and machine safe from damage and in good working condition. Explanation: workers should use tool. Number 3, to make the workplace free from danger and hazard. Explanation: this include keeping the work area clean and organized, removing of static.
My point is finished. So everyone, lesson continue with my friend.
My name is Kamoyo. I talk about number 3. Number 3 is personal protective equipment like PPE. We must wear PPE in workshop because PPE have protect everything. Like we have hat and Google and shoes and rubber to protect body. And the first hat is protect to head. Shoes is important for we go to in workshop. We wear the mask because mask is protect you about the gas and then the smoke. When people smoking, you should wear mask in the workshop. And then we should wear because it's uniform for school. Finally, my group is finished. So I want to thank you, teacher, and everyone for watching my video. Bye bye.
Thank you so much.